Hi, I'm Dr. Shailesh Puntambekar from Pune. I have come to Manipal Hospital Salt Lake for the live surgical workshop which has been conducted in association with the Indian Association of Gynaecologists. This is an annual conference and this venue has been selected for live surgery. Since morning, there have been excellent live surgeries being performed in Manipal Hospital. The entire setup looks excellent. I was in the audience and we saw multiple good surgeries. The IAGE is an annual conference of more than 1,000 gynecologists who are now attending in Royal Bengal. And it's my honor and big pleasure to come to Manipal Hospital, Salt Lake to do live surgery. Thank you very much for inviting me to this venue, which is an excellent infrastructural venue for all kind of laparoscopic surgeries. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Dr. Abhinivesh Chatterjee, Senior Consultant Gynecologist, Manipal Hospital, Salt Lake. We have organized an advanced gynecological endoscopy workshop here. The whole idea is to train up gynecologists, but as you are aware that as in surgery, laparoscopic gallbladder and laparoscopic appendix is the talk of the town. But still in gynecology we have lot of open surgeries like open hysterectomy and open cystectomy, open endometriosis surgery, which is almost obsolete worldwide. So this is our idea to promote endoscopic surgery in Eastern India, and we have best of surgeons in the world who are going to train up all the delegates how to go about it. And at Manipal Hospital, we have the best of equipments here where in all advanced gynecological endoscopic surgery is performed.
Hello, I'm Dr. Chatterjee, one of the senior consultants in Manipal Hospital, Salt Lake, and here we are conducting a wonderful workshop under the banner of ENDOGYN 2026 IAGE conference, where all the gynecologists are learning a lot, and we are, have international and national faculties over here, and we are running a wonderful conference so as to teach everyone the new methodology of operations, the newer instruments, newer treatments, and they can learn from each and every one of us. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody. I am Dr. M.M. Samsus Zoha, the Chair of Indian Association of Gynaecological Endoscopists, Bengal Chapter, and the Organizing Chair of All India Congress of Indian Association of Gynaecological Endoscopists, which is known as ENDOGYN 2026 in Kolkata. This conference is being organized every year in different part of the country, and we are fortunate to organize it in city of Joy, Kolkata. A major part of this conference is to organize live surgical workshop, which in this year is being held at Manipal Hospital and other hospitals in the city. Surgeons from across different part of the country as well as abroad showcases their skill in minimal access surgery, including laparoscopy and hysteroscopy. And we are fortunate that in this year there are 700 plus delegates in these conferences, where 25 to 30 live surgical workshops will be demonstrated. So this conference is being organized for the aspirant of gynecological minimal access surgeon, and I hope this will be benefiting for the patients at large. Thank you so much.